A couple days ago, freezing here on the East Coast. Nothing better than having something to keep your toes cozy, but also give you that great Clarks comfort too. And so we have this faux shearling clog slipper. This is the last day that we're offering this at this price. So you want to take advantage of that because it goes up at the end of the day. It's $36 and change. And we have it for you in the following colors. This is your navy blue. Then we have it for you here in the burgundy. Here is your gray over here at the end. And then up on top here, kind of that very traditional tan. This comes in whole sizes, 5 through 10. If I'm a half size, what do I do, Amy? Half sizes go up. And you and I were talking, this is a little bit more of a slimmer fit.
Exactly. So if you're on the wide or wide side, maybe this slipper isn't for you, but it is such a special slipper because we started as a slipper company in 1825. I don't know if it's loaded, but I have the photo of the very first slipper we ever designed. Oh, there it is. Yay. Isn't that so cool? So how many other companies can say that that is part of their heritage? It was two brothers. They had a rug company, and with the offcuts of the rugs, they started making slippers. Cool. So this again really harkens back to that. You have that beautiful embroidered trim. It's a slip-on in and out style with that faux fur shearling, and again, it's so cozy and delicious. Fun little detail on the back with that bow accent, all on a really sturdy, durable outsole. I am totally guilty of just putting in my husband's like size 11 shoes to like go take the trash out or bring the trash back in. Not a smart thing to do. A style like this that you can wear in and out is really the way to go.
So this is really cute with the embroidery. The look of almost like a wool felt on the top, right? And then kind of almost the look of suede going around the edges, and then you have that cute embroidery. I mean, look at the little tie in the back. Even though this is $36 and change, all those hallmarks of Clarks detail are still on this shoe.
And we truly believe details matter. Sheila looks amazing. It's the color, her burgundy slipper is actually accented by her tank top. She can easily go to the grocery store in this. She can go run in and get a coffee and then come back home and cuddle up. This is, again, not a style that, you know, to buy a Clarks slipper, first of all, we don't bring a ton of them to QVC. So the fact that you're truly getting something that we started making in 1825, it's a little piece of history, which I think is brilliant. And there's that back cut, which again, you want to leave a nice impression when you enter and when you exit.
So great colors here, not a lot of these to go around. So if this is something that, you know, you like, maybe you got a QVC gift card for $50, you're trying to figure out how you're going to spend it, this is going to be a great way for you to get something that you know you'll wear some more. I love the bottom of this slipper, right? So it's more supportive. It's not just a flat piece of material that's going to skid around all over the place. You have that support. You have a nice deep heel cup here, so you don't have to worry about your foot slipping out on the back end. Love that we have this for you in navy, but we also have it for you in the burgundy and in the gray and in the tan. So a 283801. This is the last day at this price. So if you think you like it, don't wait until tomorrow. You'll have to pay more. Get it while you can at $36.48. And again, if you're a half size, go up, right? 5 through 10, a little bit more on the slimmer side in terms of fit. All right, so we're 5 minutes away from our top find, and we'll be talking about that coming up in just a little bit. But we're going to talk about a shoe next that I know Amy absolutely loves.
Favorite.
It is from our Artisan collection, and it's a 292347. This is the only day